So if you're selling any product in your business or you have a sales team, I'm going to introduce you to the #1 sales tool that's out there that every closer is using. This is by far one of the most downloaded apps in GoHighLevel, and it is a game changer for anybody running a sales team or is taking calls. This is called the Wavv Dialer. It is literally something that we promote to all of our clients, and everybody that I've honestly recommended this to has been nothing but satisfied. So without further ado, let me reinvite the Wavv team, who is again running one of the most downloaded apps in all of Highlevel. They're a phenomenal team, and they're delivering an incredible resource. And I have Spencer here along with the rest of his teammates. Spencer, what is going on? It's been almost a year since we talked last, since we've been literally recommending this to every single person that runs the sales teams inside of pretty much any organization. So what has Wavv been up to? And tell me what's going on with you in general, man.
Yeah, first of all, thank you. It has been a year, and man, I feel like everything's changed in the last year. There's just so much going on, right? Especially right now with the amount of, I don't know if pressure is the right word to use for sales teams to execute and just deliver, right? As teams are trying to grow, it comes down to this sales team. How are you able to deliver on the leads that you have, go out and get new leads? And so much of that comes down to conversations, right? You need to have these conversations. You need to be able to communicate with those leads to drive revenue into your business. And that's what Wavv's about. We're just here to help companies grow their business through these communication channels. And so over the past year, my team's been working on a lot of stuff. You already mentioned it. We are the #1 dialer in Highlevel. And there's good reason for that is we are so dedicated to just being focused on how do we help these teams grow and fully utilize the leads that they already have. And so Caden's going to give us a demo of kind of the stuff that we've had, to me, it's like the simple dialer. It's way more advanced than what other people are doing. But what I'm most excited about is this new feature. This is the first time we've shown it publicly. We'll be here. Thank you. So what I'd love, Caden, you can kind of walk us through like what I'm calling basic, right? What we've had, been able to do. And then he's going to go into this new feature called call boards. And so that's what I'm really excited for everyone to see is this new awesome product that my team's been working on forever and feels like it's been an eternity. And now we have it. We're ready.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks, Nuno. Yeah, so glad that we could be on here, kind of show you how Wavv works inside of the CRM and also some of the new features we're working on. So like you've seen in some of the other videos that we've done, Wavv is completely embedded into the CRM. And so what that means is you're not working out of two different platforms. It's all right within inside of your CRM, allows you to really simply load up those leads you're calling and have more contacts, more conversations to grow your business. So as you can see here with Wavv, we are an app in the GoHighLevel app marketplace. And once that app is downloaded, we are like a sidebar menu item. So it's all right within inside of the CRM. You're not going to be having to switch platforms, things like that. Calling with Wavv in the CRM is actually very simple. So there's two main ways to power dial with Wavv inside of the CRM. The first way is going to be inside of the contacts. So here in the contacts, I have all the contacts, all the leads that I'm working with. I can create different smart lists and things like that. Basically, all that is needed to do is you will go to a list that you have, select all, and then click call with Wavv, and it's going to load those leads directly into the dialer. So as you can see here, we're loading these up. And I am using the multi-line dialer. And so that actually allows us to call up to 3 people at the exact same time and 3x amount of leads you're able to get through. So that's the first way. The second way is actually through the opportunities. These different pipelines you're able to build to track the status of your leads as they move along that sales process. You'll have this call button at the top of each stage. And I can actually just hit this call button and it's going to load all of the leads directly in that stage into the dialer. Same thing here, I'm using that multi-line dialer. So I have all those leads loaded up directly in the dialer and I can call through those, power dial through those. Now, this is really beneficial because of the simplicity allowing you to dial through those leads, directly inside of the contacts opportunities where you already have those lists put together. One of the main problems that we are solving that we've, talking with lots of customers is that it's very easy, very simple to load up a list and call through those. What really allows them to have success is after that first contact, first call, the follow-up and the follow-up cadence of every call after that to make sure that you can make the most out of those leads you have and really contact those leads at the right time. And so that is the purpose of call boards. So we go ahead and open this here. The goal of call boards is to enable sales teams so that every call that is made, they know that that's the most valuable call to be made at that time. And after that, the next call is gonna be the most valuable call, the most valuable contact for them to call at that time. So kind of how this works is with inside of call boards, you're able to put together basically a prospecting pipeline. Building this inside of call boards rather inside of the CRM allows you to free up the CRM from not becoming so potentially jumbled or messy with any other prospecting pipelines you have to build. Allows you to build it right inside of call boards and allows your pipelines to be more of like for warmer leads. You're working kind of managing through the appointments and towards like a conversion. And so as you can see inside of this call board, this is a demo call board we have put together. I have a couple different stages. So this new stage, working leads, appointments, sold, and these are able to be customized for however, is going to make the most sense in your sales process. But with this, you're able to set up basically a call prioritization so that every rep, when they come in for the day to make their calls, to get sales, all they need to do is click this call button, and it's going to load up the leads in the order that they need to be loaded up for all the leads you're working with. The next call, the call that you are placing is going to be the most valuable at that time. And so I can kind of show you how this works here. I'm going to go ahead and hit call, and it's going to load up the leads in that call board, starting with the highest priority, which is going to be those new leads. As you can see here, we also do have the ability to schedule calls. And so those will pop up at the top of the queue, and I'll kind of show you that here. But this call is actually an overdue scheduled call. That's why you're seeing that. So I'm going to go ahead and skip this. And as you can see, I'm using the multi-line dialer, calling through that new lead stage. And as I get through those new leads, I'm then able to jump into any other working leads that I have, older leads. And so I'll go ahead and show you this here. We'll go ahead and dial. It's going to call through these contacts, and whoever answers first, it will display their contact record.
Hello, please leave a message after the tone.
Nice. So they answer, you can talk to them, sell them, whatever that is. Now, after the call, this disposition pop-up appears, and this allows you to mark the outcome of the call, kind of what happened during that call. So for this example, let's say we talked to them, we set up, an appointment to go check out their property or whatever it is for real estate. You'll be able to mark that disposition here. And, if potentially the person on the phone said, hey, give me a call back on Thursday at 4:00, whatever that is, you can actually schedule that call directly inside of Wavv rather than inside of the CRM. And this scheduled call will pop into your queue as you're going through that campaign on that day and on that time. So that's kind of what you saw earlier. So we can go ahead and schedule a call here. Let's just say, just do 4 p.m. Awesome. Put any notes in. Great. So go ahead and save this. And what's going to happen is that note and that call is actually going to get added directly to the conversation panel, as you can see here, of that contact in the CRM. It also gets added to the note section. So you can see here's that note that I added. Here's that disposition that I selected. And I can go back for if I'm needing to audit any of these calls. There's a call recording right there. I can go and play it back. I can download it, and it also does have a transcript as well. If that call's a little bit longer, it has a transcript there. So from there, I basically just hit resume, and it will continue power dialing through that call board, through that list, working through all the new leads, then onto the working leads and things like that. Now, one of the main benefits of this also is with speed to lead. So what that means is, right, if anyone is running any ads, has any forums, any way that they are capturing leads, you can basically have those leads be added directly to a call board automatically when a form is filled out or when, they click on an advertisement, whatever that is. As that lead gets added to the call board, it actually will show basically like a fire emoji, and it will say hot, meaning that that lead is a hot lead, right? With it being a hot lead, if that is the top priority, those will actually get added directly into the top of the queue. So when you're done with this call, the next call will be that hot lead, and it just increases your ability to, get to a lead and have that conversation as soon as possible. With those being the warm leads, can turn into lots of interest, appointment or a sale, things like that. So that's really the basic overview of call boards, which allows you to, power it out through those leads and making sure that every call that you are making is going to be the most valuable call at that point, for the list you're working with.
All right. So as I bring everybody back on here, a couple things. So obviously we understand the total power of all this. So let's just think about it like theoretically, right? Like one is you're making it really easy for everybody to make calls in the existing leads, because that's the number one big thing that a lot of people don't do. They collect all the leads, but they don't take any action on them. That's first and foremost. You're making it easier dialing 3 people at the same time and ensure whichever one answers first, that's the one you start immediately working with. Even if it's an answering, you immediately disposition move on to the next. Then we are introducing now call boards, which will prioritize what we believe is going to be the hottest leads to call first to get that immediate sale and everything that we have there. And then at the same time, every time we complete these calls, not only is it leaving notes it's leaving the disposition. And you can also, from what I remember, based on the disposition you put it into, you can put it into automations directly into Highlevel to then do other things to engage the leads and everything else, which makes it a ridiculous, robust system for any sales management team that's out there on anything that they do. So, I mean, if I got that right, I mean, I think I'm pretty much got that.
Dude, yeah, you nailed it. That like spot on. I kind of want to go to that question you asked me, like, what have we seen? What makes a really successful team versus less than successful teams? And in my mind, it comes down to two things: consistency and confidence, right? And so as we're working with these teams, we see the consistency of their dialing behavior, the lead flow, and it's like they're just well-oiled machines and they know how to do this, and it's awesome. It's super powerful. And then as you're talking to the actual members of that team, you can just see and feel and hear the confidence in everything that they're doing. As we've looked at that, we're like, okay, well, what like brings this constant confidence and consistency? And it's really the lack of chaos. And so, Highlevel is so amazing. It's so powerful, but it takes a lot of work to get it set up in the way you want it to be. And so with call boards, we're trying to simplify that setup process to instill this consistency where you're calling the most important person, right? And it just removes that chaos, brings a lot of clarity, and like, okay, my leads are here. I have it organized. I don't have to think every single time I'm making a call, who am I calling? Should I be calling them or should I be calling this other list? It removes all of those problems. And you don't have to have a huge, sales revenue ops team to go and get it all set up for you. It's like, no, a single solo agent can come in and just get started right away and have that benefit as if you did have a huge revenue operations team, right? And so we're driving after that. But Caden kind of touched on this a little bit of that speed to lead and knowing the next call is the most important person. And just by knowing that, it just brings this confidence into every discussion that you're having. It's like, yeah, this is the right person that I'm talking to. And so I'm not worried about it. One thing Caden didn't show, you can even have scheduled calls in there. And so it's like, okay, I had an appointment booked with this person. As I'm dialing my campaign, as soon as that booked appointment is going to happen, it pops that in and I call them. It just pauses my dialing session. I call them, the scheduled, and then I can continue. And so we've tried to simplify this and yet make it more powerful where you're not thinking about it, but it's the best way to go about your call campaigns.
Yeah, and that makes a lot of sense. So just to kind of bring it back in and like summarize a little bit, right? We're talking about one, being consistent, and then two, like looking at the quality of the calls, right? So if you had like a sales manager or anything else constantly reviewing the calls, you could do it. And again, a lot of people's hesitation is, well, I'm only one person. Do I really need this? Yeah, because if you're the one person making calls and making 100 calls a day, 50 calls a day, 20 calls a day, instead of having like hour-long process of doing this, you can have it in an auto dialer, go to the first three, prioritize the ones that are the most important, and then you're knocking these out one at a time. Now, the big gap also that I don't think people realize is that, in Katie, if you can speak on this a little bit, is that one, you guys have an incredible referral program, right? You work with agencies. There's a whole agency model that you can give. So if you are an agency providing services, you can add this to your resume, basically, or your arsenal of things that you offer to your clients, which is what we did. And we've been promoting this to literally every client that has a sales team or is doing outbound sales of any sort. Even if it's a one-person show, we recommend Wavv right off the gate. It's part of our package, of the simple fact that, one, we know that Wavv delivers on the results, because like I said, I have literally not recommended somebody and ever had somebody come back saying this is like, bad software, the support's not great. If anything, I get a lot of compliments back going, hey, thanks for the recommendation. Our people are becoming much more effective. They're like, we can't live without it. And also something mentioned, I know that we're very favorable at Highlevel, obviously, but this works with any other software and it also works independently. So it's not that. But Katie, talk to us about like the agency potentials and the partnerships that you guys got going on. Because again, there is a lot of potential out there for a lot of agency owners.
For sure. As an agency owner, if you are, you own a GHL agency, if you're working with any sort of outbound team, Wavv is an amazing extension to your offer. It's a no-brainer. You get automatic commissions for people signing up in the CRM. You get additional commissions if they use your promo code. It is a great opportunity, but it's not even just for agency owners. If you are on a sales team, if you work in insurance, in real estate, or you just, run any sort of sales organization and you have people that need a dialer, it's a great thing to refer your friends to, and you can still get commission off of those accounts that you refer. It is an essential tool for sales. So if you're in sales, it's a no-brainer to be a part of our affiliate program. We call it our preferred partner program. We have tons of of perks. We have tons of incentives. We have great support. It's a great opportunity.
Yeah, agreed. And again, here's my promo code, just again, because I don't want to take it away. Not only do you have it in the red up top on this video, you have it here. You also have it in the description. So use the promo code, get your Wavv account set up. If you're an agency, sign up, get commissions based off on this, introduce it to all your clients. And Spencer, any last words or any last things that we want to mention that you guys are working on or looking at that you want to incorporate or just talk about, just to kind of give everybody a heads up of what's going on in the market?
Yeah, man, it's funny because I feel like there's still so many things we want to get to. A big piece that we've started on is spam protection, right? And so we have this tool that registers, we're monitoring and like remediating phone numbers. We have another part of that that's coming really soon, and it's going to be a game changer as well. Just helping you manage those phone numbers in a way that you don't have to be thinking about it, but you own those numbers, and it's going to be really powerful. So that's, I guess, my little slip there of stuff that's coming soon.
I know, no, but that's great. And I know you already have that feature where it does see whether or not the number you have is already like spam, I guess, alerted or flagged, and you do warn us about it. So like, I know that feature is there because I've seen it. So, and again, I'm glad to hear that there's enhancements coming out of that. That is something to really much to watch for. So appreciate that insight. Well, with that being said, folks, like I said before, great program. Again, this is why they're coming back. We've been using them for close to a year now. And again, every client that we've recommended this to has been nothing but happy. If you guys are interested, scan the QR code, make sure you're checking out the link below, and we'll get you guys back in a couple months from now again to just talk about what a great product this is. So, guys, this was helpful for most of you guys out there, and we'll see you in the next one.